Ang unang benta ko this 2026, guess what? ACP 100 pa rin. Di ba? Life insurance and critical illness covered ka up to age 100. Tapos limited paying period lang, sigurado guaranteed yung mga benefits. So yung unang benta ko, age 30 na male. No, ito yung mga coverage na, no, different coverage like some of the major illnesses, cancer, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, etc. Pakita ko sa inyo yung listahan later. Then itong 30-year-old na to, ang binayaran niya lang is only 512.50 per year. So mga nasa a little over 2,000 a month lang. 1 million coverage na. 20 years to pay yan. So hanggang age 50 siya magbabayad, tapos fully paid na siya, guaranteed na yung 1 million, covered na hanggang age 100 niya. So 26,000, edi mga 520,000 yan in 20 years. Pero ang coverage na meron siya is 1 million. Ayan, 1 million for critical illness and life insurance. Tapos meron pang 250,000 i-advance yung minor critical illness in case ma-diagnose ang minor critical illness for that benefit. And then, may gender-specific cancer benefit, additional 500,000 yan, ayan po, in case ma-diagnose ng gender-specific cancer. So sa lalaki, ito po ay prostate cancer. Kung babae naman, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, cervical cancer. So malaki, no? Malaki yung mga occurrence niyan, lalo na sa mga babae. So napaka-affordable, especially for people na 40 and below. Very affordable po itong ACP 100. Pwedeng-pwede rin po ito sa kids. Age 0 to 65 pwede dito. No? So may mga minor critical illness na covered tsaka juvenile illnesses. Ayan, pwede sa mga bata like severe dengue, asthma, Kawasaki disease na lumalabas habang bata or pagkapanganak ng mga kids natin. As low as 38 pesos per day ang 1 million coverage, 100 critical illnesses na yung nako-cover niya. So napakaganda. So discuss na rin ano-anong mga sakit yung nako-cover itong product na to. Ayan, ito yung list ng critical illnesses. No, so mabilisan lang natin kasi mas mahabang video ako nito and pati nasa YouTube yung full video and description nitong product. No, sinishare ko lang naman yung pinaka-recent benta ko this year. January 8 pa lang, bumili na. So ibig sabihin talagang desidido siya at nagandahan talaga siya. So ayan, cancer, all types of cancer are covered. Illnesses related to organ failure and functions like kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, vital organ transplant, total and permanent disability, lupus, etc. And then illnesses related to heart like cardiomyopathy and heart attack. Illnesses related to nervous system like Alzheimer's disease, coma, encephalitis, Parkinson's disease, all right, etc. And then pati stroke, di ba? And then other illnesses like loss of limbs, loss of speech. And then ayan yung nabanggit ko na juvenile illnesses para sa mga bata that covers hanggang age 22 nila. Carcinoma in situ, which is early stage cancer. And then other minor illnesses like pacemaker insertion. And then of course, yun nga yung gender-specific cancer like prostate cancer. Kaya po sa pinakababa, ito naman po, makita nyo, no? So nako-coveran lang natin. Pero dyan po is breast cancer, ayan, so cervical cancer, ovarian cancer, and a lot more. So ito pong product na to, it just makes sense that everyone alive should get this. So habang healthy ka, kumuha ka kasi kung hindi ka na healthy, hindi na po approvable. Diabetic, may clients po akong diabetic, hindi na po ma-approve ng critical illness coverage. Alright? So dapat po healthy as much as possible. Healthy, kumuha na. At habang bata, affordable pa. Biruin mo, 30 years old, nasa 25,000 lang kung male. Diba? So, no, ayan, around that lang. So tingnan natin kung magkano aabutin for your age. Let's see an estimate. So ito po. Ayan. So kung 5 years old, tignan natin, 12,000 lang. Sa 10 years old, 14,000. 15 years old, 15,000 for male clients to. For 20 years old, around 19,000. For 25 years old, around 22,000. For 30 years old, around 26,000. Yan yung kinuha ng client ko. For 35 years old, ayan, nasa 31,000. 40 years old, 37,000. 45 years old, 43,000. And then 50 years old, 52,000. So you can ask me for a quotation, depende sa age mo. Mas mahal ng konti yung female because of occurrence of of the critical illness, probably mas malaki yung chance like mga breast cancer, etc. So a little higher ng konti. But of course, this is really flexible. As low as 1 million coverage, you can go as high as 10 million. Merong 10 years to pay, merong 20 years to pay. This amount or this premium is about for the 20 years to pay. So kung 10 years to pay, a little less than double of these things. No? So still very affordable. So habang bata, habang malakas ka pa, habang healthy ka pa, kumuha ka na ng one of the best critical illness and health insurance coverage that you can get in the Philippines, AIA Critical Protect. So message mo ako, and you can also do your research. We have a lot of videos about this in TikTok and in YouTube. So send me a message. I need your details, and then mag-set tayo ng meeting para po ma-address ko kung ano man yung tanong ninyo. 'Di ba? I hope you can get this very affordable and applicable na plan for all of us, AIE Critical Protect 100 or ACP 100.